Usually when I'm cooking my bacon, I'd cook it in a pan, but I'm going to show you it's just as easy doing it in the oven. And while my bacon is cooking in the oven, I'm going to make some baked eggs. So first up, we need some streaky bacon. I love this streaky bacon, it's wood smoked, and I'll place the rashers on the tray just next to each other, and I'm going to fit 4 rashers because they will shrink significantly as they cook. They'll also curl up and go super crispy. So we'll pop this in first. I like to place the bacon on the top shelf of the oven so it gets that nice even heat and goes super golden on the top. While the bacon is cooking in the oven, getting a head start, we'll get onto the eggs. You'll need a dish that's oven safe and also a dish that's going to fit about 5 to 6 eggs. I'll grab a piece of softened butter and we're just going to butter the base. This is not only to prevent it from sticking, but also for flavour. And I'll need 5 eggs for my recipe. So be really gentle when you're doing this because ideally you don't want to break that yolk because once they cook, you want to be able to break into that gooey egg yolk. So keep breaking them, ensuring that there's enough space between them. And the last one. Great. And we need to season the eggs with some salt, freshly cracked pepper. And this baked in the oven is delicious, but we can also be quite adventurous with it with some classic flavours. Tomatoes, for example. So a few tomato halves. Just cut them straight down the centre. I'll add 3. And we'll just scatter them in and around the eggs. Along with a small amount of feta. We'll just scatter that in. And try to aim for the egg whites and not the egg yolks because we want to show them off. And that's it at this stage. This goes into the oven for about 5 minutes, or you can put them in for a little longer depending on how you like your eggs. Like I said, I like my egg yolks to be slightly runny. Okay, the eggs have come out of the oven, a slight wobble, and then the bacon has come out. How good does this bacon look? Just allow it to sit there for a moment and you'll see, look how crispy it is. Just fantastic. Now, I like to place the little strips of bacon in the eggs, sitting up. Nice. A hint of oregano, so nice with that feta. And then Aussie breakfast is not an Aussie breakfast without some avocado. So I'm just going to cut a small cheek of that off and cut that into a quarter. Just take the skin off and we'll just pop that on top. The second one can go over here. And the last thing we need is a nice chunky piece of toast. That is a serious breakfast. Bacon and eggs done in an extra special way. I love it. And all that needs to be done is to get into this. Now, this is for 2 people, I know, but look, I'm gonna try to get through it. Look at that egg yolk, so good, with a little rasher of bacon. That's a really good breakfast.